Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile 2025 without ID. So first of all, there are multiple ways to turn on voice chat on your Android phone. It's with verifying with your ID or without ID. So in this video I'm going to show you how can you verify, you can turn on voice chat without verifying your ID. So first of all, you have to log into the Roblox website, use your website and password. Use this method if you don't have an ID but still want to use voice chat on Roblox. You just need a working phone number and email address to verify your account for voice chat. This method will only work if you have a 13 plus account. If your account is under 30 plus, you won't be able to manually change your age until your 13th birthday on file. So next you have to click on the settings on icon, and this is the cog icon in the top right corner. A drop down menu will open, and after that click settings. You can find the above quick login. You will be taken to the settings page, and on mobile, tap star in three dot in the bottom right corner, tap settings account info, and you have to add an email address. So click on add email. To the right of email address, a new window will open. Enter a valid email address and click add email, and after that you have to verify your email address. An email will be sent to the email address. Click verify email in the email, and you will see verified next to a check mark when your email has been approved. So you may need to refresh the page to see the changes, and after that you have to add a phone number. So click add phone to the right of the phone number. Add a new window will open. Enter a valid phone number and click add phone. You can use a family members or friends phone number with permission, of course, and make sure the phone can receive text messages. You will be asked to verify your account password in the field below, and after that you have to verify your phone number. You will be sent a verification code. Click verify phone to enter the code, and you will see verified next to a check mark when your phone number has been approved. You may need to refresh the page to see these changes. Your account is now fully verified, and that's how you can turn on voice chat. And on the Roblox official website, there is also the method how can you can turn on voice chat. So for that, they say go to the more tab and then go to the settings tab. After that you have to go to the privacy and content maturity tab. Go to the communication tab. Under voice chat, toggle the use microphone to chat with voice selector on, and toggle will turn from gray to green, indicating the voice chat has been enabled for your account. You can toggle the selector off at any time to disable voice chat. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.